What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No a Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Guys, what is up? What's happening? I hope you had an amazing weekend. Hope you're having a blessed Sunday thus far. Guys, look, what did we give you last week? We said levels on par for next week are what? 400, 403, 405, 408. We gave you all of them. Okay, now, what's in store for this week? Okay, FOMC. Okay, Mr. Daddy P going to be talking. They're going to do what kind of rate raise? That's all I want to know. Mark wants to know what kind of rate raise? 25 basis points, 50 basis points. Blah, blah, blah. I don't give a fuck what type of basis points. All I care about is the reaction. So what are we doing this week? Okay, well, this week, levels are as clear and defined as day. 400, 403, 405, 408, 410. What do I expect to possibly happen this week? Possibly starting of some sort of pullback tomorrow. Why? Well, we saw our sell-off on Friday into the close. We see that we have buyers step in back here. Now, what could we possibly be looking for? A retrace or pullback to where? Either the 5MA on the daily, which is right now is about 402, or at 400, which is the 8 EMA on the daily, this yellow solid line. That's at about 400. Blue dotted is 5MA at about 402. So when those update Monday morning, possibly they update a little bit higher. 403. 403 would definitely be a possible pullback area. Okay, at about 405 right now. So here's what I want to do this week. I want to look to see if we could play the pullback and where we're going to find that base. Okay, it's likely going to come tomorrow. Really depends on what happens overnight in the overnight action. Okay, if we go up and open up, maybe we gap up higher and open up higher and we reject off that level and go find some support in the morning. Very possible. So levels I'd be looking to take a stab long are as follows. Okay, 403, 400. Okay, 403, 400, and then 393 way down there below. Now, granted, we could take a bounce off the 395, 96 level, but 393 has definitely shown to be very nice demand down there. Okay, so levels you want to look to see where we get the bottom. Remember, Monday's a new beginning of the week. There's no need for you to fucking jump in anything and do anything fucking stupid. Let the market show you where it's going to be. It'll show you where it's going to base. Okay, it'll show you where it's going to base. Okay, so take your trades there. All right, so I'll be looking for some sort of pullback. Okay, more than likely believe this 400 area could definitely be a pullback area. Okay, because we could see it was some major resistance and they support resistant flipped here on Thursday, right? We see we held that. So do we get this 403 or 400 test? I would definitely be looking to take a long at both. 400 is definitely going to be strong. Okay, now I want to talk about just the remainder of the week real quick so we can get that out of the way. Okay, depending on what happens on what Powell says, it doesn't really matter, but the market is primed to go higher. Okay, and the market is primed to go higher when everyone keeps on piling into puts as well. Okay, so until the trend is broken, really until we break 390, we have to break 390 to the downside for us for me to really truly believe the trend is broken. The trend is up right now. I mean, look at this base of a stage one. Okay, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. That's just stair stepping its way on up. That's an uptrend. The 80 EMA is crossed, or the 821 EMA is crossed, right? You had the 20 cross, the 50 cross, I mean, everything is pointing up. Okay, everything's pointing up. That's great. Okay, that's great. So you just play the trend. Now, look, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green days in a row. I can't remember the last time that happened. So are we going to get a pullback? Sure, but if we dip and rip, you have to play the trend. Okay, now if we rip to a resistance and fucking reject off it, then you play that intraday trend of down. Perfect. Okay, I'll be looking to fade. Definitely Friday's high, 408, for sure. 410 is definitely a fade as well. So is 414. So you'll want to have 408, 410, 414 upside levels on your chart. Above 414, we get froggy up to 419. There is a gap to fill up there. Let's see if we can get that on the chart here. It came, whoa, it came from right here. Boom. Okay. Everybody see that, right? So we can see this like 410-ish level right here, right? We all see this. So I'm pointing to it right here. You see this candle? 410 will be a level, be a quad top pretty much. Okay. Above there, this is where we gapped up to in that one CPI, but didn't open up there. But that was where the height of this of the pre-market was, possibly some single prints on ES that we want to take a short up there as well. Okay, but above there, you can see it's a fair value gap above this. You see this above this level is fair value gap all the way back up here to 419, and there's a gap fill to 421. Do we possibly tap there? Maybe. Okay, so you have to know your upside levels. So as follows, I'll wrap this up right now. 408 above, 410, 414, 419, 20. Okay. You'll want to have those levels marked all week. Underneath 403, 400, 396, 393, 390. Okay. You'll want to take a definite short at 408 and 410, a definite long at 403, 400 for now. If 400 breaks, you'll want to see if it catches some footing around that 395, 96, but 393 is a way better long in my opinion. Okay. All right, guys, that's it. Wake up early. Don't do anything stupid on Wednesday, and I'll see you guys bright and early. Peace.